Hi, I'm Prateek from India. I have been searching for some laser engraving machine from last 2 years, and finally I got my new client, new company here in Jinan. They are called Bogong laser machines. They have actually very good laser machines. They are very sharp, very precise, very accurate, and they have very good team to make you understand how this whole set of machine works. It is very good. It is engraving speed is very good. The staff, Anna, Brian, they all are very helpful, very kind. They make you learn. Make you comfortable with the machine. They give you all the demonstrations with multiple parameters, and the results are actually very nice and very precise. I'm happy that I came to know about Bogong laser machines, and I wish them all the luck for their future endeavors also. Good luck. Thank you, Bogong.